Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ETRM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of price action, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame because I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and in this situation makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And this question revolves around the fact that today was a very, very powerful move. It was a good day. Sure, the price pulled back here a little bit, but even where it eventually closed relative to where it was, going into the day, I think everybody would agree, good, solid day. But that does bring up the question, but is there any sort of true power behind this movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it revolves all around a single level. And that is why I love charts, makes things very straightforward. And that level is down here at 0.058. Why is 0.058 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true strength, with genuine power, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 0.058. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back to within this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price comes down here, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down here. And then if you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's what truly strong moves do, right? They make progress in the upwards direction as time goes by. So to me, 0.058, very, very important level of support. Now, what about levels of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where are some of these battlegrounds at? The key overall one is just essentially where the party stopped today. And I'm going to split the difference. So you can see right here, there are some highs, and then it actually got up that high. But I'm just going to split the difference and call it right there at 0.078. So 0.078, key overall level of resistance. But as it stands right now, by no means am I saying that the price has to break the level of resistance tomorrow. It's all about building higher bases, building higher lows. And when you do that, that's how those longer-term uptrends are, begin to be constructed. So we'll see what happens. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.